Hello guys. After 3-4 days I'm back because I was feeling fever, ill, heat stroke, sunstroke. So many strokes are there. So yesterday also we found out one free working space. Like they are providing food but that we have to buy it. Hold on. And Wi-Fi is free. In Hyderabad, big IKEA showroom is there. So in showroom, we have free working space. Me and Surya Anna, we are going. Okay. And there is no Tilu Anna. So there will be no DJ. Okay. Guys, I am wearing this for the sunstroke. For the sun we have is very bright. So this is covering my head and this is covering my face. Okay. Let's go guys. See how it looks. Okay. Right. Okay. I'm going to Alpha co-working space. Going for what? So finally we came down from the lift to first floor, 3rd floor to first floor, ground floor. You can say. And now see this Suryana is very much careful with this bike. This bike is very special to him. There are few reasons behind it. We will talk about that reason into a later part of the video. And Surya will give us in brief details like what is the reason this bike is so special to him. You guys can see this is a very good bike, okay, from Suzuki, Hayabusa company. The company make Hayabusa bikes. Very good, very good. We will be going to IKEA now. Yes. Guys, we already came halfway. As you can see, we are near to Deloitte, and this is what it looks like on 45 degrees. Today, how much temperature is there, Surya bhai? 32. Oh yeah, 32 guys. Not 42 guys. And it's very hot. You can see my feet. My feet is getting boiled. You know. So this is what it feels like. Very hot, you can't see properly without helmet. My eyes are burning literally right now. Not many people are there. That is why people should plant more trees, you know.
TS is turned into TG.
Okay.
What they used to call as Telangana still now Telangana. Which is what it should have been. Just like West Bengal is WB, Tamil Nadu is TN, Telangana should be TG, not TS.
Okay. Guys, you can see we came to IKEA. Are you going to take this road? Let's take this one. It will be short, right? From that way.
No, we'll take that way.
Oh, okay, we are taking a different way. Okay. We'll be going from here and then we'll be taking the first gate of IKEA. Oh, this is a new road. We are skipping the traffic. As we see, there is no traffic, but still we are skipping it. Yeah, you know, we are intelligent people.
Traffic is on the other road. We are skipping that and we are coming here.
Okay, traffic is in the other road. Near to Mindspace maybe, we have some traffic. So can it go slowly? I'm having heat waves in my eyes. Yeah, see, we have already taken a round and now we are taking the left turn. And in front of IKEA we have came to the front gate. Yeah!
India's first IKEA was set up in Hyderabad.
India's first IKEA setup in Hyderabad. That is what we came to know from Suryana. This is what get to look like, guys. And from P1, P2, both of them you can take, but I think P1 will cost us less time. What the fuck is going on there? Outside 42. My feet are burning, so I came and this is what I'm going to do. Checking. Switch it off. We have taken the P1 and that this is block. And we came to first floor parking. So many bikes are parked here, and now Suryana park it very swiftly. This is what he is best at, man. Parking things. Means bike mostly. Yeah, now he is coming his first look. Yeah. Come on. So we will be going taking to the left, right? We take left now. Those people are going that side, but that is blocked on. Go. One guy go, and all the people will follow. See, all the people are going, but that gate is closed, so you already are. Let them go. I already told them that it was blocked, but they don't bother. See, now Suryana will be coming into our vlogs whenever we are coming for like free AC, free table, free Wi-Fi, we can say. But the food is we have to pay. This is a good initiative now. They are putting so much things here. People can come, sit and walk. Maybe like people like us who don't have much money, you know. Surya bro is working on Deloitte. He's having so much money, you know. People like us who are not into Deloitte, like big companies like Deloitte, we will suffer for like tiny piece of money, you know? 10 rupees, 20 rupees we used to save. Okay, we are near to the gate. We will turn it off because if they see us recording, they might take our camera. So okay, bye guys. We came inside. See? Only protein shake. Still they are not allowed. I don't know why. And this is the second escalator. I think this will come. How are we going, man? way, bro. You wanna this way? Why?